I'm going to share a secret in this video that many creators have been using to get thousands of watch time hours. I'm going to be showing you how you can go live without even showing your face. This will help you get more watch time and more subscribers. So if you're struggling to get watch time hours or subscribers, this video is for you. My name is Charles. Let's dive in. The first thing you have to do is to go to youtube.com and sign in. Now, once you have signed into your YouTube channel, what you have to do is to click here and view your channel. This is a new channel. It has no subscribers, nothing. This channel was created in the previous video I made about how to create a YouTube channel. So if you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, I created a video about it and I went in depth in showing you how to create a YouTube channel with some powerful key settings that would help you get more views and get more subscribers quick. So yeah, you can also watch that video after watching this video. Right, now what you're going to do after you've logged in is to click on this plus sign right here at the top right of your screen and then click on go live. Now what you have to do is to request access to stream. Before you go live, you have to request access. Click on request and it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. So you have to verify your YouTube channel before you stream or before you go live. So it's very important to verify your channel unless you're not going to enjoy a lot of features. One of those features is going live. So once you're ready to verify your YouTube channel, you click on verify and then input your phone number here to verify your YouTube channel. So after verifying your YouTube account, the next thing you're going to do is to click on the top right of your screen where it says create. Click on it and then click on go live. Now it's going to take you to the live control room where you can set up your live stream. And I know you're scared. Oh, I don't want to show my face. You're not going to show your face, all right? You're not going to use a webcam for this tutorial, and that's the most interesting part of it all. What we're going to do next is to click on start and click on go. So you can see here it says pick the type of stream to begin, and here it says built-in webcam. We are not going to use this, and here it says streaming software, which is what we are going to use. We are then going to click on go, and it's going to take us to this interface. All right, once you get here, the next thing to do is to edit the title and the category of your stream. Just edit the stream details, the description, click on edit. All right, here you're going to enter the title of your live stream. You can give it any name of your choice and enter a description. Just describe the live stream. You can say, watch this interesting story of Mabel and her long lost husband. All right. So this will be the description of the live video. Now you need to make it very catchy. You need to make the title catchy. You need to make the description catchy so that people would want to watch the live stream. Okay. Now what you want to do is click on streaming software. Here is already set here. Visibility is set public. If you want any restrictions, you can add restrictions to your live stream, but we are not going to be adding restrictions here. There's no restrictions so far. And then for category, we are going to leave it at entertainment. And thumbnail. Now your live stream will need a thumbnail, so for this you are going to click on upload thumbnail and then we are going to upload a thumbnail. We have uploaded a thumbnail. The next thing I'm going to do is to add this to a playlist. So if you want to create a new playlist for your live streams, you can create a new playlist, all right, and add the live stream to the playlist. Okay, so that anytime you go live, the live video, the live stream will be saved in that playlist, right? Creating playlists for your YouTube channel is one way to get views because it's just going to take your viewer from one video to another video to another video, to get people binge watching your videos. And here we just do all these settings. I'm not going to go through all these settings. I've created a video, like I said, on how to create a YouTube channel where I explained all these channel settings and all that, so you can go watch it out later. Now the next one is customization. You can set your live chat, you can turn it on and off, you can turn on live chat replay, you can set who can send message. Could be anyone, could be subscribers only, or could be live commentary by just approved users. Now if you want to increase your subscribers also with this live, all right, what you want to do is to set this as subscribers only so that people will be prompted to subscribe before commenting on your video. A lot of people want to comment on the live stream, so you want to set this to subscribers and give them like 5 minutes wait. After 5 minutes they can comment. All right, they can comment on your live. So after subscribing on your channel, they'll be able to comment on your live stream. Now the next, you can turn on reactions or turn it off, and then you can add delay to messages that will be sent in the live stream. So once you have all this set up, what you're going to do is to click on save, and you can see we have updated it here. All right, so once this has been saved, you can see here we did some moderations in the chat, and only people that have subscribed will be able to comment here. So you can see Tales of Wonder turned on subscribers only mode, so it's only subscribers of 5 minutes or longer that can send messages. This is real good. Now we've done that setup, and if you click on analytics down here at this bottom tab here, you would see the analytics of how your live stream is performing, and you can also find the stream health of your live stream, right? The data and all of that. And you click on stream settings, what you can do here is to look at this. All right, this stream key is very important. I'm not supposed to show you this key, but now we are going to be using this key. But before I show you how we would use this key, go to Google, and then what we are going to do is to search for OBS Studio. Now we search for OBS Studio, we'll click on OBS Studio, and then we'll click on Windows, Mac, or Linux, depending on the system that we're using. If you're using a Windows system, click on Windows, and then it would be downloaded automatically. Now, OBS is a software that we use to go live, and I'll be showing you shortly how you can use this to go live on YouTube. All right, now after it has downloaded, what you have to do is to click on it and install OBS. I already have it installed on my laptop, so I don't need to install it again. What I'm going to do now is to open the OBS software. Now we have our OBS software open. What we are going to do here is to click on this part where it says scenes. Now click on this part where it says scene. Now once you download the OBS, it might not show two different screens. It might not show the screen on the left and the screen on the right. What you want to do is to click on studio mode. If you click on studio mode, it's going to show two screens, but if you just installed it, it's going to show one screen just like this. So what we're going to do is to click on studio mode here at the bottom right of your screen. Now click on studio mode, and the next thing we are going to do is to click on this plus sign just under sources. We need to add a source from where we would live stream. All right, so you need to get a video source. We'll click on this plus sign here, and then we are going to click on media source. We are not going to look at any other thing. We are going to click on media source, and then we are going to click on OK. And the next thing is to select the video we want to live stream. So let's say you've created a folktale story or something and stuff like that that you want to live stream. What you want to do is to look for that file and upload, which is what I'm going to do now. Click on browse and then click on OK. I'm going to use this video for the sake of this tutorial. Now you can see the video is playing. We are almost done. So the next thing is to start streaming, but before that we're going to go to the settings. You're going to click on settings, and then we're going to click on stream, and we are going to select YouTube RTMPS, and we are going to select any of these. You can leave it at the default, or we're just going to use the legacy RTMP, but we can just leave it at the primary YouTube ingest server, and then click on use stream key, and then we're going to take off this stream key that is here and paste our stream key. If you don't have your stream key, just go back to your YouTube and copy the stream key from here, and then go back to OBS and paste it here. All right, so you're going to take this out and paste the stream key here. We're going to click on apply. Now if you click on video, you'll be able to set the video quality, increase it or reduce the resolution, and then the audio and all that, but you don't need that. The default settings will be fine. So just click on OK, and once you click on OK, you click on start streaming, and you're good to go. And make sure that you have your video playing. So I'm going to start the video. I'm going to go back to YouTube. All right, as you can see, we are live now, and if you go to YouTube, you can see the live stream. So let's go to YouTube and check this out. All right, so you can see here that the channel is live. So if I click on this live video, I'll be able to watch the live video, and you can see here that we are live, but we are not live with a webcam. We are just playing a recorded video. All right, you can see how easy it is setting up your fake live or live stream on YouTube. And the crazy part about this is if you repeat this for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for 7 days straight, you're going to get watch hours. People are going to join your live. YouTube promotes live videos. A lot of channels use this method to get more watch time hours, and there is the same method to get more subscribers. Okay, so to end your live, you're going to go back to OBS and you're going to click on stop streaming. Once you stop streaming, it's going to stop here. All right, take this to the end, and it's going to end here. The live stream will come to an end, and then it's going to congratulate you that you have made your first live stream, if this is your first live stream. Okay, so once your live stream has ended, what you need to do is to click on stream health or analytics and check how your stream performed. You can see the number of views, the average view duration, and all that. So you can see the view duration here, just 24. All right, 24 seconds and all that. But you can watch yourself live. How can you do this? Just keep streaming for 7 days, right? You stream Monday, you stream Tuesday, and make sure you watch with 1 or 2 systems, laptops, and all of that. Or just get your friends to join the stream and they keep watching, and before you know, in 1 week or in less than 1 week, you have 4,000 watch hours. This is a secret that people are not using. Okay, if you have questions or anything you want to ask, just drop it in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. All right, subscribe. There are a lot of helpful videos here. Like this video, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends. Don't gatekeep, share a value, some sort of value to people around you. And this is one way of sharing value. You don't have to teach the value, but if you know what can help someone grow, you share it. And that's what we do in this channel. So share this video to people around you. Check out the links in the description if you want to know how to get 5,000 followers quickly on Facebook. I've made a video on that, or you can just check this video here. I'll see you.